Okay, here are the directions for the Tang and Song Dynasty Inventions assignment. I am going to click on the assignment. As always, you cannot initially type on this assignment, so I need to open in new window. When I do that, I have the option up here to open with Google Docs. Voila! Now I can begin editing my assignment. Okay, so what you needed to do first and foremost with the directions up here is click the link and scroll to page 15 to complete the highlighted information below. Again, you're only completing what's highlighted in each box. All right, so these are a bunch of different inventions that were created during the Tang and the Song Dynasty eras, and we are just going to compile what we need to, what's highlighted. Click on this link, and it's going to take me to textbook, and I'm going to scroll down to page 15, where I have all of the Chinese inventions listed as such. I go back to my document. Porcelain was invented by the Tang Dynasty. I need to insert an image of porcelain. Easy. We do this all the time. You should be very, very familiar and accustomed to doing so from our warm-up activity. Okay. All right, that one's done. The next one is blank was invented by the Song Dynasty. The image is already done for you. What was it used for? Books, documents, art, money. Quick fact, this is the greatest invention of all Chinese inventions. What is it? You guessed it. It is, let's see if it's listed here. It is paper. And they list it as paper money, but you can guess it based off of the image. Again, so all I'm going to do is merely write paper. Okay. Move on. Woodblock printing. Again, I'm going to look up woodblock printing. Copy the image, paste it in my document. The next one, gunpowder was invented by the Tang. You need to insert an image of gunpowder and go to the document, the reading document, to discover what it was used for. Again, it's highlighted right here. Gunpowder is a mixture of powders used in guns and explosives. It was originally used only in fireworks. What was it used for? It was used for fireworks and explosives. Okay, easy enough. And the next one is movable type. You will look for a picture, insert that image, and also explain what it was used for. That is listed right here on the document, the reading document. And the last one here, you need to write what this is right there and also explain what it is used for by reading this right here on the reading. As always, after you're finished, make sure you turn it in to the Google Classroom, and that's that. If you have any other questions, please let me know by emailing me.